Sciatica doesn't have to control your life. Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Rob. If you've been dealing with radiating pain down your leg, tingling, or numbness, that just won't go away. You know how it can affect everything you do. Sitting, standing, even sleeping becomes a challenge. But here's the truth, you don't have to live with it. At Dr. Rob Chiropractic Wellness Center, we specialize in identifying the root cause of your sciatica. Through specific spinal adjustments, we target spinal misalignments that put pressure on your sciatic nerve. When we realign your spine, we reduce the pressure, restore proper nerve function, and allow your body to heal naturally. Our methods are completely natural, non-invasive, and drug-free. No painkillers, no injections, just safe. Effective care that helps your body do what it's designed to do, which is heal. As your alignment improves, so does your mobility, flexibility, and comfort. You can move freely again, get back to your normal routine, and start living without that sharp shooting pain down your leg. So if sciatica has been controlling your life, it's time to take it back. Get your freedom from pain. Book your chiropractic session today at Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness Center because true healing starts with proper alignment.